Welcome to KidloLand.
Jack's shopping list. Jack was helping his dad shop for groceries. They ordered cheese. The grocer handed it to Jack. "What do you say?" Jack's dad asked.
Thank you.
Jack replied. Next, they ordered some fresh pasta from the deli.
Thank you,
Said Jack when the clerk gave him the package. They went to the farmer's market and ordered apples.
Thank you.
Jack said when the farmer gave him the bag.
What is all this food for?
Jack asked. His dad bought some tomatoes and gave them to Jack. "It's a surprise," his dad said. Jack and his dad walked home carrying their grocery bags. "Thank you," his mom said when Jack delivered the groceries. She sent them out of the kitchen to make the surprise. The surprise was cheesy tomato pasta and baked apples. Jack and his dad knew just what to say. "Thank you!"